On to the next one. This one is about mass or liquid. So we're going to do some conversion into liquid, like milligrams to mLs. So the question here is you have phenytoin, which is Dilantin for seizures. It's ordered 0.1 grams by mouth through the NG tube. Let's just say it's daily. So write down daily here. Okay, but what's available is 30 milligrams per 5 ml. So this looks like very confusing. Oh my gosh, what do? We have grams, milligrams, mLs. How much do you administer? All right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to convert grams to milligrams. So the easiest way to do it, there's a couple ways to do it. So I'll write down here. So let's do the formula here. We have micrograms, and what comes after micrograms? Milligrams. And then what comes after milligrams? That's grams. And then we have kilograms. All right, so if we have, and this is all about moving the decimal point, that makes it easier. So what you're going to do is basically either take your number, so you can take 0.1 grams and times it by 1,000. All right, so actually let's do this to make it easier. And get rid of this. And do milligrams. Or your you do your grams, 1,000. Okay. Or what you can do is move the decimal place over. So if we're going from grams to milligrams, you just take your decimal over. If you're going grams to milligrams, you move it over 3 to the right. So each one you're going to move over 3. That's how you're going to do conversion. If you're going from this way to this way, you move it to the right, or this way to this way, you move it to the left. All right, so if we have 0.1 gram times 1,000, you're going to get 100 milligrams. So when you think about it, remember this decimal was right here. Oops, I'm going to put it here. You can just move it over. 1, 2, 3. All right, take out that 0. It's actually 100 milligrams. So that's another way that you can do it. So you can always times it by 1,000, or you can just move it over the 3 decimal points to make it easy. All right, so what we have here is 100 milligrams. So let's put that in. I have 100 milligrams, so let's put this up here. So we've already converted that. So now we don't really have to worry about this too much anymore. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this right here. And so we have some room to write. Okay, so now we can actually do the problem. Okay, so what you're going to do is the same formula. What is ordered? What do you have on hand? So what do you have times the volume, or mLs, basically. All right, equals. What's it going to equal? It's going to equal your mLs. Because remember now it's going to cancel out. So we have what's ordered. We have 100 milligrams ordered. What do we have on hand? We have 30 milligrams. And what's our volume? Remember our volume up here is 5 mLs times 5 mLs. So now we can cancel out our milligrams. And you're going to do 100 divided by 30. And you're going to get that answer and times it by 5. And that equals 16.7 mLs. So you're going to be given phenytoin or Dilantin 16.7 mLs through the NG tube once a day.